fire, burning bright. ChatGPT's talking day and night, but whisper saying, gotta make it pay. Millions of users coming every day. Penn says costs are crazy high, gotta find a way to reach for the sky. Ads are coming to the AI scene. Will users love them? Will they stay keen? Balance the needs of business and soul, keeping it real, keeping it whole. Data's the fuel making the engine run. Insights and answers for everyone, but servers cost money, gotta keep the lights on. OpenAI's dreaming a future to be won. Penn says show the value clear, prove that AI is worth the cheer. Ads are coming to the AI scene. Will users love them? Will they stay keen? Balance the needs of business and soul, keeping it real, keeping it whole. Transparency's key, gotta play it straight. Disclose those ads before it's too late. Build trust with users, keep them coming back. OpenAI future is on the right track.